Hello? Today, I'm going to show you how our home valuation widget works seamlessly with HighLevel. This powerful lead magnet, available on idxaddons.com, allows your website visitors to request a free home valuation along with detailed market insights, and automatically sends that information directly into your HighLevel CRM. Setting it up is very simple. Go to the Apps page, find the home valuation widget, and copy the code snippet. Then paste it into your main page, or your seller's page, where you want the widget to appear. In this example, I'm using a HighLevel website, so I'll add a custom code element, paste the snippet, and save the changes. And just like that, the widget is live on the site. Now let's customize it a bit. Back in IDX Addons, you'll find a few useful tabs. In the Usage tab, you can track how many valuations have been submitted this month. In the Requests tab, you can view the addresses that leads have searched for. And in the Lead Connector Integration tab, you can manage how data is sent to HighLevel. Let's go to the Styles tab and make a quick update. I'll change the button text to white and the input border color to black, then save the changes. Now let's go back to the site and reload the page. Let's run a test. I'll search for a property, 42310 Fisher Island Drive in Miami Beach. Select the first option and click Submit. A form appears asking for basic contact information, along with the option to receive market insights via SMS or email. I'll fill out the form and submit it. Now we get the home valuation along with a price range. If I want to receive full market insights, I can click Confirm and they'll be sent via SMS or email. I can also open the link directly from the pop-up. The Market Insights report includes a map with the property location, estimated home value, property details, sale price history, market trends and activity, nearby listings if available, Now let's take a look inside HighLevel. After refreshing the page, here's the new contact we just created. If we open the contact details, we can see that it was tagged automatically with home valuation tags, a seller tag based on the selected intent, and an IDX-related tag since an IDX Broker account was created. In the Notes section, we can see the full request details, including the address, valuation, and the Market Insights link. We also store a lead ID and custom fields for tracking. All of this information is also available in the Requests tab inside the Home Valuation Widget dashboard. Additionally, this activity appears inside your HighLevel dashboard, including the latest activity and valuation details. Now, what if you want to store this data in custom fields for automations? If you're using an IDX Broker Engage account, you can install our predefined custom fields. These will automatically store the address, valuation, and market insights link. Let's run one more example. I'll submit another valuation request and confirm the market insights. Now back in HighLevel after refreshing, here's the new contact. And in the custom fields, we can now see the market insights link, the estimated home value, and the requested address. With this data, you can trigger automations, follow-ups, and workflows based on seller intent. You can also access this information quickly through the IDX button inside HighLevel. And that's how you can turn a simple home valuation into a powerful lead generation and automation system inside HighLevel. This is a free tool, exclusive to clients who have an IDX Broker account and use RealtyCandy as their developer partner. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more updates.